With our commitment to health and safety, Amazing Lash Studio is implementing the following procedures. We are blocking 10 minutes between appointments to allow time to deep clean the suites and common areas, following disinfecting protocols set by the CDC. We're staggering appointments to minimize social contact, and we have optional curbside check-in via phone call to avoid gathering in waiting areas. All team members are wearing masks and gloves, and will undergo temperature checks before every shift to ensure they are well and ready for your service. Please be prepared to wear a mask during your appointment. You can bring your own, or we'll provide a disposable mask for you. We'll do temperature checks and also ask you a few questions to ensure you aren't sick or haven't been around anyone who is sick. At Amazing Lash Studio, all lash services are performed by licensed cosmetologists or estheticians in private suites, where your comfort and safety is our #1 priority. And finally, all team members have undergone special safety and sanitation training focused on smart, safe practices. When you arrive in the studio, you will be asked to cleanse your lashes to remove dirt, oil, and any potential bacteria that may be harmful to your stylist. For the safety of every guest and lash stylist, before each service the entire suite will be disinfected, including door handles, the music volume control dial, lash table, trolley top and drawer handles, and the overhead light. The table will be covered with fresh table paper. When the room is ready, your stylist will wash their hands before coming to the lobby to greet you. Once you're ready for your service and laying on the lash table, your stylist will put on fresh gloves or finger cots and remove gel pads and tweezers from their sterilization pouch. Your stylist will keep you informed of what she or he is doing throughout the service so you can feel safe and comfortable, and relax. At Amazing Lash Studio, our #1 priority is the health and safety of everyone in our studio. If you have any questions or concerns before your appointment, please don't hesitate to ask us. We look forward to seeing you soon.